There are two wireless remote controls in every TAURUS O3 plug-and-play alarm system basic package. Both of the wireless remote controls in the TAURUS O3 plug-and-play alarm system basic package have already been programmed in the control panel. You can both activate and deactivate the alarm system, as well as activate home mode with the remote control. It is also possible to trigger the alarm with the SOS button. When home mode is active, the wireless magnetic contacts are activated and the motion detectors are deactivated. As a result, you can move around freely in your home. You can find out more detailed information in the accompanying instruction manual. It is possible to program up to 50 wireless sensors, 10 wireless remote controls, and 50 RFID chips in the control panel. TAURUS, always on the safe side.